Hi, I wanted to take just a minute to go over the Poverty Professional Development Assignment. And basically, what you're doing is pretending that your school has asked you to do a PD session. And I say pretending, but hopefully in the future, you could do something like this in your school. So, as you're thinking about what you might do for PD, think about these questions that are bulleted below. The percentage of students in your school that are in poverty, how they compare academically with other students. What are your teachers in your building? What do they currently know or think they know about teaching students in poverty? Do they already have a pretty good understanding, or maybe getting students in poverty is new to your school, so they're not quite sure how to approach and how to best teach students who are in poverty? Where do you even start then? And then finally, what are some concrete strategies and activities that you would give your teachers as best practices? And then how do you know that those are best practices? So, in about a 2 to 3 page paper, or however you want to communicate how you might do this assignment, um, that's what you'll be basing it on. So, you'll cite at least 5 sources. This is a big chunk of your grade because I think poverty is such a big issue in our schools. And we know that this is a group that does not perform as well and is very, very challenging. We all know that. So, first thing, let's start with data. Include information about the percentage of students and so on. Cite your source. So, you can probably find that from, if you're in Kansas, KSDE website. If you're other places, I'm sure that your state has resources like that also. Um, your school may have that information in particular, but cite your source. And then how do students in poverty compare to academically compared to other students? Use some kind of standardized assessment for showing that difference. Then this is where it might be a little bit different in the summer. I'd like you to look at other teachers and what they think and know about educating students in poverty. If you have trouble finding those other teachers because it is summer, just let me know and we'll work that out. But then name at least 3 areas where it's a concern about educating students in poverty. So I've given examples there. Homeschool connections are weak, discipline is a concern, and motivation issues are prevalent. So those are just 3 examples of what you might find out. And then finally, what is your plan? Based on research, what is your plan? Give me 4 to 5 specific, effective research based teaching strategies or activities that you could have teachers in your building use. So that's it in a nutshell, um, what it's all about. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.